Just 1 glass of water with baking soda will have this effect on your body. Imagine being able to enjoy numerous health benefits simply by drinking water with baking soda, a simple and accessible combination. It seems incredible, right? However, the truth is that many health professionals consume it and recommend it, since its positive effects have been proven. For this reason, in this video we will not only review in detail the advantages of baking soda water, but we will also explain how to prepare it correctly and what its possible contraindications are. So, without further delay, let's get started. One of the main benefits of the combination of water and baking soda is linked to the functioning of the kidneys. These organs play an essential role in filtering blood and eliminating toxins and waste from the body. When the body's pH is altered due to excessive acidity, the kidneys may have difficulty performing their job efficiently. Drinking water with baking soda helps balance the acidity in the body, reducing the workload of the kidneys and facilitating the elimination of toxins through urine. Another group of people who can benefit from this mixture are those who suffer from heartburn or digestive problems. If you have ever experienced an annoying burning sensation in your chest or throat, usually caused by excess acid in your stomach, a solution of water and baking soda could be the answer. Baking soda acts as a neutralizer of stomach acid, providing relief from the burning and discomfort it produces. In addition, when the acidity level in the stomach decreases thanks to baking soda, the liver can better focus on removing toxins from the blood. For the respiratory system, bicarbonate water can also play an important role. This drink helps clean the bronchi and facilitates the elimination of mucus due to its alkaline properties. Baking soda helps to thin out mucus in the lungs, making it thinner and easier to expel. This is especially helpful in cases of congestion or persistent cough, where mucus is often thick and difficult to remove. Did you know that gargling with a mixture of water and baking soda can be effective against bad breath? Yes, it is. Baking soda neutralizes the acids present in the mouth that contribute to bad breath and also has antibacterial properties that reduce the amount of oral bacteria. Of course, this is not a replacement for brushing and flossing, but it can be a useful supplement for those who suffer from halitosis. And its benefits don't end there. This solution also acts as a natural exfoliant that helps remove surface stains on teeth, allowing for a wider and brighter smile. To achieve this effect, it is advisable to rinse your teeth with the baking soda and water solution once or twice a week to prevent wear on tooth enamel. Additionally, this rinse can reduce inflammation and bleeding of the gums in people with gingivitis. Before we continue, we want to know your opinion. Have you ever drank water with baking soda or used it as a mouthwash? Leave us your answer in the comments. Now, we cannot fail to mention that drinking water with bicarbonate can also strengthen the immune system. Thanks to its alkaline properties, this mixture helps balance the body's pH, reducing chronic inflammation and creating a more suitable environment for immune system cells to function properly. At this point, you might be wondering, how should this solution be prepared correctly? The answer is simpler than you might imagine. You just have to add half a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass with approximately 200 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. Mix well until the baking soda is completely dissolved in the water and drink slowly. Depending on the goal, such as relieving heartburn or other digestive symptoms, it is recommended to take the solution on an empty stomach. However, despite its many benefits, drinking water with baking soda is not recommended for everyone and has certain important contraindications. Those who suffer from high blood pressure should avoid excessive consumption of baking soda, as it can raise sodium levels in the blood and aggravate their condition. Also, people with kidney failure or chronic kidney disease should refrain from ingesting bicarbonate, as it can alter the balance of electrolytes in the body and affect kidney function. Additionally, those with heart conditions such as congestive heart failure should consult a doctor before consuming baking soda, as it may upset the acid-base balance and affect heart function. Baking soda can also interact with certain medications, such as antacids and some antibiotics, so it is essential to consult with a health professional before starting to take it regularly, especially in high doses or for prolonged periods. And we're not done yet, as we have an extra piece of information for those who have made it this far. In addition to the combination of water and baking soda, there is another mixture that can be very beneficial for the body. The best thing about it is that it is made from common ingredients that you probably already have at home. We are referring to the mixture of water and salt. That's right, when consumed in the right proportion, this combination can provide different benefits to the body. One of them has to do with rehydration. If you have ever exercised strenuously or had a bout of diarrhea, your body may need to replace lost fluids and electrolytes. Drinking salt water helps replenish electrolytes, such as sodium and chloride, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance in the body and ensuring proper muscle function. This means that salt water not only allows you to recover lost fluids, but also helps the body retain them more efficiently, fighting dehydration more effectively than plain water. To prepare a rehydration solution, simply dissolve about half a teaspoon of salt in a liter of water and drink it in small sips throughout the day. This proportion is suitable to provide a safe amount of electrolytes without overloading the body, promoting optimal hydration. Drinking salt water can also improve digestion, as it stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes in the stomach, which are essential for breaking down food efficiently. Salt contains minerals such as sodium and chloride, which are essential for the production of gastric juices, which facilitate the start of digestion and make it more complete. Drinking this mixture in small quantities throughout the day, especially before meals, can promote the absorption of nutrients and relieve digestive discomfort such as indigestion and bloating. Salt water can also benefit skin health by providing essential minerals that help keep skin hydrated and balanced. Minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and potassium, present in salt, contribute to skin hydration, reduce inflammation, and accelerate healing processes. In addition, these elements help regulate the skin's pH, which can be useful in treating conditions such as acne or eczema. To prepare the solution, simply dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a liter of filtered water and drink it in small quantities throughout the day. Consuming this drink can help make the skin look firmer, smoother, and healthier. If we talk about salt water, it is also important to mention the benefits of bathing in the sea. For those who have access to the ocean, this habit can contribute to skin health for multiple reasons. Seawater is rich in minerals such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which help revitalize and nourish the skin. These minerals have healing and anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in treating problems such as eczema, psoriasis, or acne. In addition, sea salt acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead cells and promoting cell regeneration, leaving the skin softer and brighter. Another benefit of salt water is that it can improve blood circulation, which contributes to more nourished and healthier skin. However, it is essential to moisturize the skin after a swim in the sea, as salt water can cause dry skin. As with water with bicarbonate, it is also important to mention precautions when consuming water with salt. People with high blood pressure, kidney disease, or heart problems should avoid drinking salt water, as too much sodium can worsen these conditions by raising blood pressure and affecting kidney function. In addition, excessive consumption of salt water can cause dehydration, as salt tends to draw water out of cells and into the digestive tract, causing increased fluid loss. Those who suffer from congestive heart failure, fluid retention, or are on a low-sodium diet should also not incorporate this practice into their routine. For this reason, it is essential to consult a health professional before consuming salt water or water with bicarbonate on a regular basis, ensuring that its intake is safe and appropriate for each medical condition. Now we want to know your opinion. Did you know the benefits that these simple combinations can bring? Which do you usually drink, water with bicarbonate or water with salt? Leave us your comment and share this video with friends and family so they can also discover this valuable information. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the next video.